everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to give you a tour of our living room all made over for fall. Over the course of the last few weeks, I did a whirlwind makeover on our living room. You might know that I work a lot with The Brick, their Canadian furniture, mattress and appliance store, and they asked me if I wanted to switch up my furniture in my living room, so I said yes, and I thought this would be the perfect time to do it. Now that it's fall, it's cooler here, we're moving into Christmas, I thought we could make this room really nice and cozy and warm. So today I want to show you what I did to our living room to make it look a little bit more formal, but still really comfortable and cozy for the fall and winter months. I've used some luxurious fabrics in my furniture like velvet, which is one of my favorites, as well as a patterned fabric for some chairs. I kind of turned this room into a rustic glam look, and I've also included some really simple DIYs. So I hope you enjoy this tour and these DIY ideas. Let's get started.
Here's how our living room looked this summer. And here's how our living room looks now. We decided to move our Paris sectional down to the basement so that we can start creating a tween hangout room for our girls this winter. For this space, we wanted something a little more formal but still inviting. The Meredith velvet sofa from The Brick was the piece that set this whole makeover in motion. When I saw it, I fell in love with its gorgeous texture, tufting, and chrome legs. It has a traditional shape, but it's still really comfortable, and I found the velvet actually really easy to clean so far. To add to the traditional feel of our room, I took some inexpensive white curtains and sewed some black grosgrain ribbon on the edges to create some striking drapes. It's a really easy DIY that makes an impact. The deep charcoal color of the sofa prompted me to continue the DIY board and batten around my entire living room and paint the whole top of my walls this lovely rich charcoal too. It's called Shades On by Bear, and you can find my DIY board and batten tutorial in the description box below. It's a great way to add beautiful detail to your room, and it's not too hard to install. I did this all myself. The new paint also prompted a new light fixture installation thanks to my husband, and I love how it really centers the room now. When we first moved into our home in 2015, I had a sofa and 2 chairs in this room, and I really liked the layout because of all the space and versatility it created. That prompted me to look for the perfect chair pair to coordinate with our new couch. After quite some thought, I settled on this gorgeous duo. They're the Win accent chairs in Morning Dew from The Brick. Even though these chairs are patterned, the pattern I think is neutral enough to match with a more colorful patterned pillow on my sofa. This is a DIY pillow I just sewed. I'll leave my easy DIY pillow tutorial in the description box below, along with the fabric that I used from Spoonflower. Because of all the tufting, velvet, and pattern in this room, I wanted a couple of accent tables in the space that were rustic and rough to add a different sort of look and texture. I love the combo of rustic and glam, and I know a lot of you like that combo too. This fabulous coffee table is the Kier coffee table from the Scott Living collection at The Brick, and it features a rough and beautifully colored wood with casters and black metal accents. I've decorated the table for fall with a rustic looking galvanized tray I found in store at The Brick and used faux peonies and faux boxwood to create a very simple floral arrangement for fall. Florals and candles are always a great choice for coffee table decor, especially in the fall and winter months. This little side table also adds warmth and function. It's called the Luda Accent Table in Oak from The Brick as well, and its color and look mimics that of the coffee table. The farmhouse style wood art in our living room is from local artist William Ray Designs. I will leave a link in the description box below, and also a coupon code if you want to get 15% off any of their wood signs with my exclusive coupon code. And the black and white shag rug in here is the Amar rug from The Brick. I had it in my studio, but I also love how it looks here, and I love how the pattern ties in all the other black and white elements in this room. I am so happy with how our living room makeover turned out, and our whole family really loves it so far. It's elegant and glamorous, but it's still comfortable for everybody. I am so grateful to The Brick, my handy husband, and my arsenal of paint and DIY supplies that made this makeover possible. We can't wait to relax and enjoy this cozy space this fall and winter.
Thank Thank you so much for watching this video, and thanks again to The Brick for sponsoring this makeover. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this room now that it's all cozy and changed up for the fall and the winter. I will leave links to everything in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!